Okay, and it's going to be separated like the other day where we do the side first and then we do the missing angle. Okay, so let's begin. First things first is, let's just get the formulas. Okay, like I said, they're big and there's 3 of them. Okay, the first one is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. It's a lot bigger. Let me explain. You'll have it, okay? You won't have to memorize it. It'll be available to you. It'll be on the board. A, B, C, B, C, like those are the sides. Those are the sides of the triangle. And then the only angle on this one is A. So that's the first difference from law of sines. Law of sines, you always had the 2 angles, right? At least 2 angles. This one only 1 angle. Okay, that's one difference. Okay, B, if you're looking for side B, you use this one. Okay, so this one's for you're looking for side A, this one's if you're looking for side B. And then, obviously, we're going to have one for side C. Okay, so A squared plus B squared AC. Oh, I almost took that. 2AB. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cosine C. So there's the 3 formulas. Okay, you don't have to memorize them, but you just have to know how to use them. Okay. All right. So first part. So part 2. We'll do the examples. Missing side. We're going to focus on missing side first. So draw this triangle. Labeling is super important, even more. Yes, sir. Is that good? Super important, the labeling, even more so than yesterday, because the formula has so many parts, right? So you need to know all the parts. Okay, so here we go. This one's going to be A, B, C angle. And so the same as before, this is side A, side B, side C. They still use the same as the other one. For this particular problem, they give us this side, they give us this side, and they give us this angle, and they want this side. Few students yesterday, okay, not many, but few were missing, like they were putting the angle where the side goes and the side where the angle goes. That's an easy fix, right? If it's a degree, it's an angle, right? So just be careful. Okay, so here's the big thing, guys. Here's the big deal. When you get these on the quiz, or on the test, or wherever, we're not going to say, hey, guys, this are law of sine problems, these are law of cosine problems. They're going to be mixed in. So is this going to pop up like this? You're not going to know, how, it's not going to be titled for you, this is law. So how are you going to know how to use it? So let's try to use law of sines on it so you can see why. Okay, let's try law of sines before we learn. Okay, let's try it. So we need an angle on the side. Do we have any angle inside? No. Okay, but yesterday you had some problems that you didn't have the angle on the side. So you were able to find that missing angle and get the angle on the side. Can we do that here? Can I figure out what these 2 angles are? Why? There's only 1 angle. You're missing 2 angles. I mean, I can subtract this from 180, but that's just telling me what these 2 add up to, so I don't know what each one is. Does that make sense? Okay, and can I figure out what this side is? I don't know if I said it in this class, but Pythagorean theorem does not work if it's not 90 degrees. Okay, so you can't use Pythagorean theorem on this. Let me just set it up one time so you can see why it doesn't work. Let's do sine B. Oh, I do know that angle. 127 over side B, I don't know, so this is my B fraction. Equal, I don't know, let's try A. Sine, I don't know angle A, but I do know side A. And there you can see the issue, okay? I just wanted you to see it visually. I know this, but I don't know two things. Therefore, you can't solve it. Okay, so that's the big deal. When you set this up, you have more than one unknown. Does that make sense, guys? Because that's how you're going to pick, okay? If it doesn't work like this is where the law of cosine comes in. Okay, so here we begin. Okay, I need angle B. So I'm going to use the B formula. You don't have to rewrite it because you already wrote it just now, but it's this one. The B squared equals C squared plus A squared minus 2CA cosine B. Okay, it's that one because I need the B side. Okay, so check this out. Equal, okay, we just plug in the numbers where they go. Okay, so C is the first number, right? Side C, so 16 squared, just like the formula, okay, 16 squared. Plus A, side A, right? Side A is 38 squared. Now, is that a minus or a negative sign? Minus, because it's in between two things, like a sandwich. So this is a minus 2. What is that happening between the 2 and the C? Times, so you can put parentheses there. C 16, A 28, cosine times cosine of angle B, 127. Now, one more thing though, okay? I plugged in all the pieces. Now my formula says B squared. I don't need B squared, I need B. So how do you get rid of the square? Square root. Okay, so I'm gonna square root both sides, but that just cancels, so you're gonna square root all that formula. And now the calculator will do the rest, okay? But just so you be careful, just to be safe, I would put an opening parenthesis here and a closing parenthesis there to make sure all that stuff is under the square root, under the radical. Okay? I want everybody to do this, plug it all in, because this is how you're going to find out if you're plugging it in right or if you're plugging it in wrong, okay, if you do it yourself. And it's okay, some of us type faster than others, okay, but let's just get to that answer. And all our answers today, we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Okay, tenth. 14 point what? Huh? Oh, 40. Okay, I thought I heard you say 14. 40 point? I don't hear good. Sorry. No, it's me. It's my old age. 40 point or no?
Oh, it was 39 points. 39.7.
Yeah, sorry. That would be the whole number, right? But we run into the nearest tenth. Okay. No shame, be honest. Anybody getting a different answer so we can help you? No? Okay. Anybody getting a different answer? Okay, how many of you getting 39.7? Everybody? Okay, good. Please let us know if you're not. Okay, it's a quick help. For example, a young lady raised her hand earlier in another class, had a different answer. We looked at her calculator, left out the 2. Like stuff like that. Okay, like little stuff like that. Okay. Questions, guys? Was that pretty easy? Yeah, it's not bad, right? It's not bad. Okay, let you try one. Number 2. Let's try it like this. So angle C is 88 degrees. AC is 22 feet. BC is 11.5 feet. And they want AB. So you did this already, right? They use different labeling. Well, not different, but the way they label, right? And we label it how we need it. Okay, so let's just draw a triangle. Again, it doesn't matter who you call ABC, but right now since we're working together, let's match. When you're doing this on your own, you don't have to, you could call the top A or whatever. Okay, so this is side A, side B, side C. C is 88. I think the main issue that I saw yesterday and today is just rushing and then putting the number in the wrong place, right? And that obviously causes us big problems. AC is 22. BC 11.5. And they want AB, right? So, okay. So what formula should we use? The A, the B, or the C? The C. Okay, so go for it. Be real careful when you're plugging stuff in. It's like those toddler toys, right? The circle only fits in the circle hole, the triangle only in the triangle hole. Only put the letters where they go. Nearest tenth, okay. We have a 24.5, yeah. Okay. I see a lot of heads shaking, yes, yes. Anybody get something different so we can help you, yeah? Root, no, I need somebody that has it. Oh, I can check. I have it tucked in. Oh, yes, yes. So look. You read that? Hey guys, real quick. I forgot on the well, this will help you, okay? Instead of having to go to mode, if you look on the top of the calculator, at the top it says what mode you're in already. Make sure you're in degree mode. That way you don't have to actually go back in the menu, okay? If you're in radian mode, you're going to get the wrong answer. So make sure you're in degree mode. We're good? Everybody good? Anybody get a different answer? No? Okay. Abby? Alejandro? Good? Okay. Okay, I'm going to separate this video now.